we're going to take a little oil here and apply it to the whole arm. Do a little bit of a warm-up stroke. Just like that. Remember, too little oil pulls on the skin. Too much oil is kind of sloppy. You want just the right amount of oil to coat, but give you a little drag. We're going to go right into some hand massage. And remember, stretch that palm out, pull, press with your thumbs, and roll with your hands. Good. Do the top of the hand and come through each of the fingers. From here, we're going to go into our forearm work, and we have our 3 lines that we're going to just stroke down using our thumb, or you can compress it with your fist this way. And outside line last time through, inside, middle, outside, and change and come in with your other thumb, or you can cross over and use that one. And try and keep a nice straight line. And outside. And middle. And I called that outside, but I meant inside. There you go. And outside and middle. My favorite's when their fingers move. You know you're doing it right when the fingers move. There you go. All right, from here we're going to go straight into some bicep work, not on the crease. And we're going to start at a 90 and drop that arm down as you're compressing, and time it so that your hand hits here when this is all the way down. All the way up on that shoulder. Good. And come around in 3, 6, 7, 8 times. And I am slightly going a little to the outside and a little to the inside, so I'm kind of getting all angles of that bicep. And down. And I'm taking a little break on the table right here. Change hands. Bring that stroke all the way up and around. And see how I'm holding her arm, kind of keeping that angle in there. And pull. And pull all the way around that deltoid and down. We're going to do some closing strokes where we come down, cup the hand, come in, all the way down, back side of the arm, go all the way around, drag, come down, change again. Closing stroke means start to go slower and a little lighter. Last time through. Stand up. This time, when you're done with this outside line, come down and hold the hand for a moment to let the person know you're done, and rest it back on their stomach.